Hello everyone. Do you want to know who is the best dental implant surgeon in Mumbai? It is none other than Dr. Mayur Kainar. I myself, I am a dentist. I am from Chennai. It was way back behind few years. I got trained under Dr. Mayur, and there is no looking back. Now I have started placing implants with his guidance. There are so many dentists who have referred their relatives to Dr. Mayur Kainar for getting their treatment done, especially implants, be it single tooth replacement or full mouth rehabilitation using implants. So I would highly recommend for anyone searching for a best dental implant surgeon in Mumbai is definitely Dr. Mayur Kainar. Thank you.
One of my relative was facing a lot of periodontal issues. All of his teeth were really mobile, and a lot of tenderness was there. He couldn't eat, he couldn't chew. Hi, my name is Dr. Shweta. I'm from Mumbai. He had lack of confidence. He didn't like to go out and get socialized with a lot of people around him. So one day he shared all of his problems with me, and I was really worried about his issues because he was so young. He was just 39 years old and couldn't eat properly. His diet was really affected. So I was just wondering how I can help him with all of his problems. So I searched a lot around in internet. So one fine day I came across a YouTube page of Dr. Mayur Kainar. So he was an implant specialist in Mumbai. What really attracted me towards that channel is he was offering full mouth rehabilitation in just a matter of week, which is, according to me, was really impossible, because implant treatments take almost months and months and months. Till then, patient has to stay without anything inside, without teeth mostly. So that's why I thought of talking to this doctor. I discussed it with my family, and we spoke to the doctor. And I don't know what really took my confidence in that doctor, but we decided to come here, meet the doctor. He explained all the steps in the procedure, or in the surgery, in the treatment very nicely. He was himself very confident, so that's why I personally recommended him to my relative. And it was just still we were not sure how we should go for it. We had a lot of queries and questions. Doctor really was patient with us and answered all of our questions. He took a lot of time for us, especially because he was good at that point. And after that, we decided to go for the surgery, and the D-Day came. And then my uncle went for the surgery, and within just a week, he got his implants, a very good quality and at a very affordable price. And he was really happy with the treatment, although a little scared how he'll take this forward in his life. Will he able to eat? Will he able to talk? Will he able to be comfortable with it or not? What will be the problems he'll have to face in future? We don't know. But after a certain time, he got comfortable with it, and after placing the teeth, his life has really changed. His confidence really increased. He is able to eat all the things which he was not able to eat earlier. His diet improved, his social skills improved. He enjoyed going a lot out, and he enjoyed taking photos. I'm really happy with all the with this journey. There's this is really emotional for us because it's really hard to see one of your loving ones suffer not with the teeth, and being in that profession itself, it's a responsibility to at least see and help him. And so I recommended Dr. Mayur Khairnar for implants. He is really expert in whatever he's doing. I'm really happy with the treatment, and I really thank his whole team, doctor's whole team. So I am a dentist. I have confidence, and I had confidence in this treatment. So I really recommend anybody who's facing such problems to come and get free with all the problems which you have. Thank you.